may I go say this about charity, especially charity in Jamaica. I have seen a lot of things, especially one that this one, it hurt me to the core. It hurt me to the core, where people medical condition have been out on social media, and it is very nasty. It humiliates people, sometimes not even the recipient, but the recipient family. You put these people on camera and let them talk, and to laugh for you to get content. Laugh for you to get content. Now when you come out and you say people have this kind of sickness, this kind of ailment, and another wicked, because let me tell you something, a lot of us on here, we would do anything for that Facebook or that YouTube check. We don't care. A lot of people does not take people health and people life and people family just for that YouTube check. Just for that YouTube check. Now, when it said a blogger or somebody that on them platform gonna sit down, this thing hurt my heart from when somebody gonna sit down on them platform and said recipient, because of the charity holder come out and said, and a blogger or whosoever gonna come out big plain and say them here say the recipient them have the big A. Mighty God on earth, what is this? Where this is coming to? Why can people be so evil? But there and then again, not everybody I all the platform, all that the charity. Because if you didn't come out here, come say it, low class people, because that's very low, could never take it and have it on them platform to say that the man have that. Not because you might hold a phone to make somebody get help, mean say them life is in your hand. No, mean say not because I say, and I'm talking even the donors them too, because a lot of time I see it in comment section, because you might send the money and give people who feel like say things about them not supposed to have no secret. No, no, so it go. Them not supposed to have a normal life. Them not supposed to have them own say. Them not supposed to have a private life. What is going on? What is going on? Do not do it if you cannot do it. A lot of time, and I keep saying this, let me tell you something. You see that man, Mr. Handsome? Mr. Handsome, I did a live, I think about 2 years ago. And Mr. Handsome exact word was, some of these charity holders, when they have a recipient, once the money stop coming for the recipient, then the charity holder don't bother to deal with the recipient anymore. Then in my thinking, I would say, well, this look like it's more like a cash cow, because if you're gonna help somebody and then Because no money not coming in, you put them down and take up one. I'm going to say this again. Hungry people cannot do charity. A lot of time these donors, I have donors where I talk to want to reach out to the recipient, want to give the money to the recipient self. Make the recipient collect their money. I have had it where donor wanted to help recipient to reach overseas, and the charity personnel, because some of them are people, I call that bad mind. Me call that bad mind. Really, me call it bad mind. I have had it where charity donors want to help recipient to reach overseas by them, and the charity personnel tell the donor no. Then if you have somebody where you have to help, why not make the person try and help the person? Why? See them collect money when you check a stack of them pick me, you see a graduate from university. When them collect money for build house to people, and when you check a stack of feed them pick me, you see graduate. When they never walk nowhere. Feed them pick me graduate. Had them have the visa, had them a travel, and the poor recipient them. The poor recipient them eat the bread and give the recipient them the crumbs. And whenever time nobody talk, you hear some people want drag down them charity. Me no want drag down no charity, but all I make us say, the Jamaican Prime Minister for make sure so no have at least a training. Because some things when me see I go on in the charity world from me country, it no easy, it no nice, it is very unkind. If I even for make uno do one course, because some of uno no treat the people them right. Uno no know what to carry out past social media. Everything uno take camera like uno a papazari. And I put the poor people them pan and make the people them attack. Uno know. So them a go talk. I want to no come out here because some of you have look color and look here, and you can do look nails and paint up on the face. You go on like so, nobody and thing there. Let me tell you something. Say a lot of time on a degree don't put on nowhere because me when I have no degree, I don't have no degree. The only degree me know about a degree Celsius. Once I was talking to let me tell you something. You see principle. Cause my bagga no know me wear dirty girl for no know me cheap cloth. But there are certain things in me yet to see some of you out here where so no have no degree though. Because I would know no care how somebody have a sickness whatsoever, whether STD, whatsoever the D is, I would never take it on social media. I would never put somebody on social media to talk certain things just for content, and I have never. A lot of time people click this camera on the people because them want views, them want likes, and then when you check a stack of ears, so them a tear down and nobody can. We can't. Let me tell you something. There's nothing that nobody can do on social media. There's nothing that nobody can do on social media. Some of you is too wicked. I wanna love money too much. I wanna use these recipients to build up on a platform. One can get it monetized. I wanna use these recipients because I say enough for uno. Enough for uno. Can me get. Me not afraid to say me no get. Me get off of social media. This is why I will forever say respect to Sister D. Can me reach out to her. Me get me see Bowa. One, me see two of my recipe and me do one of them right here, so. Me get right from the planka shop. Respect to them. We still give me. So every day uno na get. So we not do it for we not take up the people. We couldn't just take up on the phone, make the people them get a phone and make them collect their money. Turn over the money to them family, them make them family build the house to them. Cause since it now benefit uno. The same people them uno use for building a platform, and one time uno use the people them. But these donors and people uno not seen, and uno have a monetized platform and a collect up uno how much thousands a month time. Yes, come call me bad mind. Uno come call me bad mind because I say I was liming up one by one out here. Can't come in general, but if you don't want me come specific, who not use the people them and build on a platform. How comes who never have nothing to go back? Somebody who not work and not tell me say. Sometimes some things when I say wanna take up these people on the phone for you say. Sometimes I say wanna sick make me say. Wanna make me sick sometime. Una make me sick sometime. Una walk, una have no this, una have no that. And somebody come to una want something to eat or to take up phone. Somebody come to una and want something to eat. I wanna take up phone and fling on the people and pan it. I show up on the people and from them crown of their head to the sole of them foot. And then you sit down and a question them about them mama papa. If me hungry, when me hungry, me hungry. When the backside, the people then come to no for look of food. How no a question the people them ask them about them mama papa, auntie, uncle, granny. Who no just a question. Give the people them the food and make them go on. A phone will not take up one to the big people them where invest. Give the people them and make them go on. Morning King. Give the people them and make them go along. And then some uno too. Uno take on the phone. Of course uno take on the phone. But we know that a lot of these charity people them face a lot of humiliation. Cause nobody can face it like Miss D. But when you not help the people them and the people them go on or whatsoever, them not obligated to uno no God. Everything uno come out people ungrateful, people not no manners, and people worse. You know when you can burn me for uno. When you take up these recipients and uno know to them no 100. Uno know. You know how much normal people fall in a depression, much less these. I want to not take up the people and anything going to come out past social media, then disrespectful. What you they train them with? What you help them with? Them disrespectful and them ungrateful. It can burn me, you see? And then you say either uno done or uno do undone. Either me know when me done the live today, but uno can fuck off and decently too. Cause me not afraid and me not care. Cause anybody ever come out here with my name. Anybody ever come out here with my name, I come out here and tell no upon need to no mama and go in back. That's how you treat people. I saw uno treat people, but I blame the government of Jamaica. I no business who I register. Send some of uno. Send uno go do basic course how to treat people. What this humiliation is about. Everything uno take up camera and the people them ungrateful and then no manners. Worse the people them what uno know from day one. Them not in a them right state. We were in our right state with the press. Then judge those people. Just imagine those people on feel like say, and then uno ungrateful, and then uno have some on a big stinking long clip. People in the comment section, uno no know the people in front of what uno and them never cross road. Uno depend the people them ungrateful, the people them this, the people them that. What the backside uno take set on the people them for? Huh? Uno two is uno two. Uno no better than the recipient them. Because uno might send money for them. Uno drag them. Uno call. Uno want to know about them. Uno because uno donate. Uno want to know about them mama, them papa, them auntie, them uncle. Give it or not. Sad rude out of order. The Jamaican government need to step in and stand up. We don't forget the course because we come out here, we don't say we don't have degree. I don't know what is degree because the only degree me know about a degree Celsius. Degree and diploma. I don't have this. I don't know what this and then we don't fling on the makeup on the face and some who they have the wig and who have the natural hair down on the back and because some of them might have husband who come out here and take set and I use the people them and when time uno done uno tell lie upon them uno all have summer uno when uno collect up the people them money uno go back behind back in a door and call the fiber uno come out here come right out here make me walk my phone now uno say uno take the people them money collect money for the people them when uno collect money for the people them uno see them one and then the door of them to their love mix up. They love mix up. Uno reach out to them behind them back. Can me have them in my phone here and I tell the people them about say how the people them have man and the people them disrespectful. I don't hear say and the money no give back and the people them don't get the money. But yet still no blight to the people them life because people feel to say they get money. All that trouble them per road. Uno get one barrel, uno go there, uno take out because it's too good for them. Uno take out the good things them and give them the whole broke in our house. And uno take out the good food them and buy the cheap one them and give them. Uno too wicked. Take me know one woman right now $500. For buy bed, the recipient no get no bed after so no people tell you no take money for pay people rent, now pay the people them rent and the money no give back and the people them don't get the money. Have the something them to give the per not do it. Yes and come because me can tell you that. When June time and Jackie come out and say she did give June the 500. I said give it to Siloni. I said, give it to Siloni, but still never take it. Because sometimes, if you find out, give it over to somebody else or give it to the people and don't put it in our pocket. Do not put it in our pocket. See the way over there so them challenge the way to come out with a receipt with the date when Siloni June money did collect inside a dollar come give me. Me no want nothing out of it. Nothing I don't want. Why should I take from somebody we're in need? Why should I take from somebody who is in need? The people them want who no collect up this money. One other thing we do now again. Who no collect up this money? I want no collect up this whole heap of money for the people them. When time we no see the people them food box or food something, we know Jamaica expensive. When we see the people them food box are sitting where the people them get to no collect 300 US. And we know Jamaica expensive, but we want to see where the people them get that is not 300 US. We no collect up the people them money so we know they build house. We know the things expensive, but when you check a stock and look on the said one Ghana the hour, the garage where they the hardware. I want to check a backside stock. Who no now penny money. Who no need to stop it. I want to do and do the behind scenes. I chat and sit down. Do another manipulate them and manipulate to know. And I tell you nothing. Do not collect up the people and money. I want to do done especially because I can burn me when time I come out here and talk about the people and this year. Went in there. Disrespectful or ungrateful, you see? It can burn me and ungrateful. Because you use the people and name and collect up the people and money. Burn me, you see? And put no big old tackle ram. Them ungrateful. Them and them and then this. And them that. And then no man that disabled people them. And who same one humiliate them. And not all of them who humiliate them and their family. Because someone who sit down and talk about it then and the family. And then you come and you come talk to me on this. What happened to the money you want to use and put? Come here. What happened to the money? That's the first time of scamming. Want to take these people and put them past social media on our collect. The registered charity them. Me hear one of them say, come here. Because when me attack, me hear once upon in life what day you be said, Jesus Christ. Come in and call Christ and I said, Jesus Christ. No more ask one question. Me know say money go on bank account. You say your Zelle and your cash up go put it on your bank account. Alright. So you say you know. So you say, and I say so. Then you say you want to go up back, go fix tax. But me never hear you say. Me never hear you say the tax return. Because we all know that charity is a come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Only son look a pataket out here. I see a lot of pataket pan in India. Charity is a non-profit organization. Because we know we put in tax. Yeah. Tax, me can't talk, you know. Me can't talk. But when you put in tax is to just show what you work. Me never know that charity get back tax return. So what is going on now? So if your charity register at Jamaica where you talk about, come here. Come here, not two blood clot teeth. You two not two teeth. How come you never tell we say the charity register overseas to where you have to go foreign to go put in tax? Me say any day God say enough we don't know. Me not say we not go get locked up, you know, but me know say God me say uno si karma, any day God say enough. God going clear to know down. I make you no can't move. Some of you not, and I'm not casting death on nobody, but some of you not gonna live to enjoy it. Some of you not gonna live to enjoy these people money. Some of you not gonna live to enjoy it. You not go in a misery for the rest of your life. Be careful what you do with these recipients. Them a human being like uno. No, because uno not be uno not turn human. Them a human being. And God make them. God a go provide for them. There was one girl I remember. That girl was suffering with her kids. That girl was suffering in Jamaica, was humiliated on social media. All because her family saw her on social media and sent the money to give her. And did send it to give her brother. Did send it to give the charity person disgrace her. See, the woman is in North Carolina. She's in North Carolina today. The woman is in North Carolina today doing well as we speak. Doing well, doing excellent. Half bill her house back down in Jamaica. When she was robbed by the money to buy her a bed and pay for her room. And see the charity person still in a misery come out all past social media come ball. Still in a misery. And the same recipient where you put down only because her brother had reached out to her and sent his money. And you did buy that lady the bed. The child, the lady is in North Carolina right now. Working, building a house, living it up. Remember, there is a God. Stop using these recipients to live bigger for them. When you use them same recipient they put on a channel and put on a page. When you collect on the money, a phone. When you give them recipient the any. When you give back any. And at the same time when you humiliate them and drag them to get likes and views. Likes and views. I want to never go back and give somebody as much as a $500 to buy a juice. I want to never give out on the pocket yet. I never hear. I want to say the charity begins at home. You no compound the food on the phone. I never go down in the pocket and give somebody $5,000. Never. You never give back yet. But you dep on the phone every day and I beg. Every day you I beg. Collect up the people their money. I want to collect up the people their money. I don't want to be owner over it. The Jamaican government need, and I'm going to tell you this, one of them there, and I don't care, I'm going to say this before I done that topic here. People, I don't like violence, but I don't like abuse either. I want one of the recipients here one day lick out one of the dirty blood clot. They say, I want one of them one day lick down one of the blood lick. When I say lick down the blood clot, so them have to throw water power. I say, I want one of the recipients one day. Come and tell you how them stay to, you know. You have some of them, you know. Come here, watch them, you know. where them not worry the recipient. When time they want fix them can, they want money or they want something, that time they go find the recipient. Well, I want one day the recipient sit down and people may not promote violence, but I want them get a ass lick. And the recipient sit down, mind them own business, and when they turn up with the phone and the camera, the recipient take up a half a block or anything and one blood clot lick. I want to get a blood clot. I want to tell you no lick. I want to get a serious blood clot lick when you take up on the phone. And I got turn it pan those people and use them. I want a recipient them lick down on a blood clot. I want one of them lick down one on a bumbo clot. One blood clot lick. Yeah. Them feel what a full time now. Cause when the people them talk, or someone in the comment, I want to say them ungrateful and then disrespectful. Well, one of them sit down at them yard one day, call while me so not do it. Not looking for nobody. I want to go there and not turn on phone and not talk about people want help. I don't feel like you want put in the pocket. I don't feel like you want some views that about one of them lick down one of them. One of them lick down one of them. I said that with no apology. Because then talk nothing not done. Maybe when one of them lick down one of them blood clot scammer, one of them lick down one of that them are the recipient, you know, them only do it. Then maybe the Prime Minister will do something. But one of them lick down one of them, man. One lick more and then give them. I say one day when they get up and when they feel like, oh, they can go video this to get views, or they can go this because they will get some money there. I want the recipient. Yes, like how Maya did strike. When time then go and take me say me only sorry say Maya never lick down somebody. I want one of the recipient, I want one of those recipients lick down one of them blood clots scammer the way they are Jamaican and collect. Yeah, I want one of them strike. But I want one when under them right blood clot state of mind. I want one when in them right, I want one of old people them. When they all shit and piss in our bucket, and when they go there and turn on the phone, duck them blood clot with it. Yeah. I want one of the old one them, the old people them. The elderly them shit and pissing at them bucket and sit down and then go there. How you bop flash out that blood clot pound and more one of the one them more want to get something. Full time now for to get something because when the people them show them frustration for life, come and people ungrateful and people disrespectful. Some want then take it further. You take it further. But full time now for one to get a ass lick. Full time now for one to get a bucket of piss and shit. Hence all blood clot argument. Then we will see if the Prime Minister will step in and we say we have to do this because so not treating the people there right.